I am Abigail Smith, and I'm doing my presentation on social media marketing. So here on my first slide, the question I'm asking is, how many people use social media? So this question is going to actually help you to realize how social media increases your audience and allows you to reach so many more people. Because there's about 244 million Americans on social media in 2018. There are 257 Americans to be projected on social media in 2023. And there are 3.96 billion social media users worldwide. And here on my next slide, I'm just talking about the facts of social media. So, more than 50% of online shoppers will check out the social media profile before completing the purchase, meaning they won't actually complete the purchase of your product or service or whatever it is before checking out the profile, scrolling through the content. And there are 90% of internet access is used for social media. 88% of businesses and companies use social media, and 95% of SM users like brands on social media. So it is actually preferred for brands to be on social media than it is not, by basically all of SM users, 95%. Next slide, question is, what social media platform is most popular? My guess was Instagram. So I researched it, and I found that in 2020, Instagram actually is the most popular. Second is YouTube, and YouTube is also the second most used search engine after Google, which I very much believe that because I guess I can speak for many people. When I don't know how to do something, I go straight to YouTube to watch a tutorial. And the third most popular social media platform is Facebook. Next slide, talking about the impacts of social media on marketing. Social media is the most common place to reach a bigger audience since 2/3 of the country are on it. Social media offers ads, and it is a place for real people to interact. It is a great place for customers to leave reviews and comments. So that can be a good thing or a bad thing based on the product or service you're offering. There can be groups formed on social media to talk about products, to talk about common interests, to basically allow other people to reach other brands, businesses, services, anything. Next slide, I'm just extending the slide before that. So social media is also the best resource to stay on top of what's popular and trending. When you know what is trending, it helps to reach a bigger audience and attract more attention. If your ads that you're creating for your product are super outdated, no one is going to pay attention. No one is going to want what you're offering. Using social media to see what people are posting, what people are liking, what is getting the most traction, most click-throughs, the most highest reach. That is what you need to pay attention to, and that is what will get you the most attention. So here I'm asking, what are the benefits? As in, what are the benefits of using social media to market? When you use social media to market your product, your service, whatever it is, you're increasing your exposure. You're increasing your exposure because So many people are on social media. In the first slide, in 2018, 244 million Americans were on social media, and that was just in 2018. So, obviously, that'll be more today in 2020. And as you increase your exposure, you're also increasing your traffic. When you increase your traffic, that means more people are coming to your website, more people are coming to your page, more people are clicking, more people are purchasing, more people are going to put items in their cart, and social media allows you to see every single thing that customers do on your page, on your website. And it also allows you to develop loyal customers. You can develop loyal customers as you produce more content that's likable, that people pay attention to. If someone likes your content, grabs their attention, they're going to keep coming to your page and seeing what else you're producing. Social media will also generate leads. It will provide marketplace insight, and it will improve sales, just all because so many people are on social media. It will improve your search rankings. That'll do so if you use keywords. You can look keywords up on Google, put it in your social media, put it in your website. It'll improve your search rankings. It'll grow your business partnerships, again, because so many people are on social media, so many businesses are on social media for the same reason. And it also reduces marketing expenses. Because social media is so popular today, there's really no need to buy newspaper ads, to buy ads on the TV, commercials, any of that, because most of the time everyone is just on their phone.